Hello, I'm Lewis with Wood Wyant, and today we're going to be doing a demo with our floor care products on a VCT floor. We have Vert-2-Go Pro Strip Plus for our stripping, and we have Vert-2-Go Green Steel for applying coating and protection on the floor. You're going to see before, during, and after shots, and hopefully you'll see for yourself how the Wood Wyant floor care products can make a difference in your facility. Here is the floor before any of our work. And you can see it doesn't look too bad. Some scratches on the floor. Overall, not in bad shape. With something like this, you could probably even just do a scrub and recoat to repair, but we want to show both our stripper as well as our finish and how odor free they are in order to see the difference we can make, especially in a place where you have to do your work when people are around. And now we're applying the Vert-2-Go Pro Strip Plus at a strength of 1 to 4 onto the floor to be able to, with no odor, completely strip this floor really quick and effectively. That's it. So here we put down the Vert-2-Go Pro Strip. Here we are, we put down the Vert-2-Go Pro Strip Plus, 10 minutes wait, and then scrub with the swing machine. Everything's all torn up and nice emulsified. So here we have Carlos using our 350D, doing a rinse of the main area. And of course we've done 3 rinses of the baseboard, so it can be all neutralized and ready to go in a few minutes. Here is the floor after 2 coats of the Vert-2-Go Green Steel. You can see it's not too glossy. It's got a nice, beautiful look to it so far. So here we have a little bit too much applied, so we're going to remove that bluish layer just by going over it and spreading it around. Here we have 3 coats of Vert-2-Go Green Steel on the floor. And now we're going to do one more, a 4th coat. And here we are, 4 coats of the Vert-2-Go Green Steel. The gloss is actually in the low 60s, so not too shiny. Great for long-term care, but most importantly, protection, durability, and resistance to hand sanitizer.